Bro, you're killing me, dude.
Hey, you know your mom told you to get off the game, right?
What you laughing at?
You resetting, that's why I'm laughing. I just said your mom told you to get out the game and you over here resetting. Chill out before I grip your head. I mean before I grip.
That's kind of suspect, you know. And I don't really like how that's, you know, happening. So you how about you go out there, like get out my room before a little something come out, like a crater. Yeah.
Who the freak is Crater? Oh, I know who that person is. Isn't it that guy that came with us that one time to that birthday party?
How about I show you?
Yeah!